Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, you heard of, I'm back again, y'all, giving you some sourcing places. You know, if you don't have nothing to sell on eBay, get out. You know what I'm saying? Get out. I'm not gonna tell you what store I'm in, but you can see the symbol back there. You know, I always sourcing there, but I got to start off like this. You ever hear of American Pickers? You ever hear part-time pickers with Matt on YouTube? You ever hear of Cincinnati Picker? You ever hear garage flips? Well, this is Kevin. I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Okay. I got that out the way. You know, I'm in one of these stores, one of my sources. I wouldn't give this up if it wasn't the times that we're in when you can't find no sourcing. I would never give this place up. But you know where I'm at. You can tell. Yeah, sometimes I come in here and I get some good stuff out of here, y'all. You know, and I haven't scanned nothing yet, and I just got to the aisle, so I'm just looking right now so you guys can see that I just got here, and I'm gonna start looking at stuff in a minute. You know, because I don't know how they do it, but I can't hold this phone and talk at the same time. I can't do it. I already tried, but right now I'm doing a little sourcing. You know, you can see this aisle full of stuff. Sometimes I get hundreds of dollars worth of stuff out of this aisle. You know what I'm saying? Just hundreds. But today I'm not, because I already spent a lot of money. So I'm not gonna get that much out of here unless I see something that's gonna sell, you know. And it's a whole lot of them, then I gotta get all of them. Like Matt say, grab all of them. That's what I'm gonna do. But right now, you guys follow me around. I'm gonna start looking. You know what I'm saying? Let me turn you around. I can't turn you around right now, so you can't see what I'm doing. But I'm looking at computer games. I'm looking at makeup. I'm looking at all kind of stuff. And, I'll be back to show you guys what I found.
Heart attack, somebody who needs...
Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? I'm back again. Woo! To show y'all what I got from one of my favorite stores. Let me flip this on around. Yeah! One of my favorite stores for sourcing. Yeah, since this virus going around. Hey, y'all, I just saw one of them walking viruses. I just saw a walking coronavirus. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I started to take a picture of it so I can show y'all. It's the virus walking around. I'm telling you right now. Walking around in the streets of St. Louis. Whatever. Anyway, let me show y'all what I got. Okay, these right there I don't know nothing about. I paid 50 cents a piece for them. See that? 50 cents a piece. They're selling two for $8 on eBay. 2 for $8. So I got 10 of them. I didn't buy all of them because if they don't sell, then I'll just be sitting up with them. But anyway, I bought 2 for $10. They were selling pretty good, but every time I buy something, it don't sell right away. It don't sell like other people's stuff. So I'm gonna put them on there 2 for $6. You know what I'm saying? They selling 2 for $8. I'm putting down 2 for $6 so I can sell mine. You know what I mean? Plus I'm gonna ask for $2 shipping. I don't do that all the time, but when something selling this low, I do it. Even though shipping on this probably costs little nothing, you know. So I got that. I got this. They just had one of these. I wish I'd have had more. $2 a piece. See that? It's a reel for replacement reel for your weed eater. $2 a piece. It's selling for $17 on eBay right now. $2 a piece. I wish they had more. I bought more. Let me show you what else I got. These little things right here. I don't know where they go. They refills for a weed eater. But see, they're $1 a piece. They're selling for $2 for $10. I mean, 2 for $12 on eBay. I paid $1 a piece for them. I bought 10 of them. So you could do the math. You know what I'm saying? That's about $50. And all I paid was 10. So do the math on that. Damn, it fell down the seat. Hold on a minute. We dig this on out. Let me dig this cash on out of this money right here. It fell up under the seat. Let me see what else I got. Yeah, some more string. See, these are $1.50 a piece. They're selling on eBay for $12 a box. $12. See that? Replacement weed eater stuff. Yeah, this the actual weed eater right there. $1.50. That's all I paid for. It was $1.50. You know what I'm saying? So let me see what else I got. Something else. I think that's all I found. Yeah, that's all I found in there. The rest of that stuff wasn't selling. I saw it on eBay, but it wasn't selling. So that's all I got out of there, y'all. Y'all saw what I got out of my other store, you know. So I'm gonna go home and put this stuff on eBay. You know, I don't even need to go out no more, like I told y'all. I don't need to go out no more to buy nothing else. But since I'm at these places already, I go ahead and buy. You know, but like I got this stuff back there, $2 a piece. I showed you that, $2 a piece. My car full of stuff right now. You know, but I don't care. I'm sourcing, and I put some of this stuff on eBay while I was walking around the store. Only thing I ain't put that stuff on. Why I ain't put that stuff on eBay? Because it had the yellow stickers on it, and I ain't want to turn them off. Have people thinking I'm price gouging or something, or taking prices off. I ain't want people thinking that, so I ain't take them off. Excuse me, what the hell? Anyway, so that's the video for today, y'all. You know, remember, thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs down. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. You know, go out and you could go outside. You know, just don't bunch up together. You can walk around. People keep telling me we can't go outside. Yes, you can. You can walk your dog. You just can't congregate. You know what I'm saying? If you talk to somebody, keep 6 foot away. You know what I mean? That's just as simple as that. You could go outside. Ain't nobody telling you to stay inside. They telling you to keep your distance away from other people. That's what they telling you. Come on, man. Get yourself together. You know what I'm saying? Just to keep your distance away from other people, and you'll be safe. You know, I don't know if you'll be safe now. I'm not promising all that. But anyway, you don't think you can walk your dog. You can take a walk. You can go to the store. When you go to Walmart or places like that, just keep your distance away from people. You know, what the hell? You don't have to talk to people in their face all the time. I wouldn't do that anyway because their breath might be stinking. You know what I'm saying? They might be funky or something. You know what I'm saying? I want to get in front of my white face. You know what I mean? That's it. That's it. But anyway, yeah, I just had to tell y'all that. So anyway, thumbs up, you like it. Thumbs down, you don't. You know what I mean? Thumbs down, but give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And this is Kevin from St. Louis. We picking in the hood too. Yeah, we picking the hood too. Yes, sir. Yeah. Peace.